So what's good, y'all? Today we're gonna be making a honey jerk chicken Rasta pasta. You dig? So first you're gonna boil your noodles, add some salt and oil to season your noodles. You want them al dente. You want to make sure you're done. Then you're gonna take and chop up one, not even one, half an onion. A yellow onion is what I'm using. And make sure you get all the skin off the onion. You want to dice this onion up, kind of to like a small to medium dice, depending on how big you like it. But I'm going to do kind of like a medium dice. Like I said, you want to make sure you get all the skin off. You don't want no skin when you saute this. You're going to cut it in half. Cut your onion in half, like so. And you're gonna make 2 cuts, one at the bottom and one at the top. And then you're gonna make 5 to 6 slits in the onion, so you can dice it. You wanna make sure it's all nice and diced up. And you wanna make sure you use all of the onion. There's no food left behind. You make sure you use all of it. I was taught in culinary school, don't leave nothing. Use everything that you got. So what you think is waste can be used for something else. Then you're gonna take some peppers, some sweet peppers. So I'm using a red pepper and a yellow pepper. You cut out how many peppers you want. But I'm making this for some co-workers of mine. So I'm using 2 peppers because only 2 out of 3 wanted peppers in theirs. So I'm going to julienne cut these peppers. Be careful, man. If you ain't, you ain't really a pro with it, be careful. Don't cut yourself now. Like some of y'all probably gonna try to go crazy and cut yourself. Be careful. So you gonna chop it up. Make sure you get a nice julienne cut. Like I said, you're gonna use the whole pepper. Even when you cut the tops off, take the green part out, use the whole pepper. And then after you have everything chopped up, we're going to saute. I've added in some garlic as well to give it a little more flavor. You're gonna saute them till they're nice, kind of dark, not really dark, but just to your liking. Then we're gonna chop up our chicken, like so. You want it in chunks. Make sure you wash your chicken first, and then we're gonna add some jerk seasoning and some homemade Cajun seasoning. Sorry, y'all, that I made. It's going to give it a little extra kick to it. Mix it all together well. And then we're going to saute the chicken like so. Make sure you get that nice color to it. We want to make our sauce. Take a stick of butter, melt it down. Make sure it's nice and melted down. And after you have it melted down, you're going to add some flour to it to thicken it up to make your roux. And then you're going to stir it up all together. Like I said, to thicken it. You don't want no clumps left of the flour. Then you're going to add some heavy cream to it. You want to mix that up so everything is well combined. Like I said, you don't want no clumps or nothing. You want to mix everything together. So everything is incorporated with the roux. Then once that's done, Gonna add in your Parmesan cheese, like so. Make sure the cheese is nice and melted into the sauce.
It's nothing that I can't shake. For God's sake, baby, I put my feelings to the side.
Make sure it's all in there. Then after you add the cheese, you're gonna add some the Cajun seasoning and some of the jerk seasoning to give it the same spice as the chicken. Once you have the seasons in there, you're gonna mix it up, and it's gonna change the color from a white color to like a reddish color. You wanna make sure it's all incorporated in there. And then once your sauce is done, you wanna make the honey jerk sauce. So what you're gonna do is take the drippings from the chicken, add some honey to it, and then you're gonna add some of the jerk seasoning to it as well. And then you're gonna plate everything. So you added the sauce. And then I mixed it all up with the noodles. And like I said, y'all see the styrofoam plate. So, you know, this is going to work. You know. But everything I do, you know, I'm gonna make it look good. Because in the words of Ray Charles, aka Jamie Foxx, I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. You dig? And then once you got the sauce, you're gonna put the chicken and the peppers on top. I'm giving them a nice amount of chicken. This is a hefty plate. This is something you eat now, save the rest for later. When I take the chicken and I mixed it in with the sauce, so in case y'all wondering what the sauce is, I mixed it with the chicken. I'm gonna add the peppers on there for color. And then after you add your peppers, I'm gonna put some garnishment. I'm gonna add some parsley flakes. Usually I would cut my own up, but I bought this, kind of cut down on that. So bought this at Sam's for a decent price. Parsley flakes. I'm gonna give it presentation and some color. And there you have it. Voila. Honey jerk chicken, Rasta pasta. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for your boy.